That's a big chicken. Hey, alright. So we're out here. It's going to be another just quick video. I've got some Burgundy grapes to harvest. They didn't put on a lot of grapes this year. You can see the birds are already getting into the bags. I will give the birds credit for one thing. I can't stand them, but man, nothing stands in their way sometimes. And let's see what we got here. Let's do a quick look at there. Besides the bird damage, we got some good looking grapes. Those are really good looking. So we'll be back in a little bit. I'm gonna pull all these bags, harvest these, and we'll see what we end up with. Alright, so we're back. I've picked these Burgundy grapes. Not a huge haul of grapes, but got some impressive stuff here. Let's look at these first. These are ones I consider really ripe. They are just beautiful color. I'm going to take my taste test off of this one right here. I mean, look at that grape. It looks like a black olive, actually. But good looking grapes. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Pretty dang good. Then look at some of these other ones. They're not quite as ripe, I think, because they're bigger. But here, I'm going to lay it out over here. Look at all those. That's beautiful. And here's another huge one. I mean, these are just... Now, these aren't quite as ripe, but to be honest with you, the birds are raping me. So I had to get them picked. And also the heat in those brown paper bags is cooking some of these things and they're exploding. And then when they dry out, they don't taste like a raisin. I don't know if it's because the way they went or what, but they're just, look at this one. This is ridiculous, man. That right there, I'm going to turn it sideways just for fun. But that thing is huge, man. That's beautiful. And these grapes, if you look at them, they're not most of them, the ones I get, are really rounded off. And these guys actually look like a table grape. They're called Burgundy. But yeah, not a bad haul. I'm gonna rinse these off and drag them in the house and put them in the fridge, man. We're gonna be eating grapes again. I got more grapes to get, but yeah, not a bad haul. These ones down here are definitely more ripe. Let's spread this whole deal out. Like, look at this little cluster here. You know, I'm half tempted next year, if we get a bunch of these, just to thin the cluster down to get these super dark black grapes. So thanks for watching, and yeah, Burgundy grapes grown right here in Phoenix, Arizona.